Yes, now I will tell you a sentence. You have to tell me the same sentence in negative form, okay? Change it to negative sentence. Good. Yes. Sanjana likes biryani. Sanjana likes biryani. Yes. Very good. Sanjana doesn't like biryani. Mohiddin eats idli. Wait. One of you. Yes. Eats idli. What is the negative? Very good. Mohiddin doesn't eat idli. Good. Venkatalakshmi likes bondas. Yes. What is the negative? No. Yes. Yes. Venkatalakshmi likes bonda. Venkatalakshmi doesn't like. Very good. Venkatalakshmi doesn't like bonda. Very good. Yes. Pavan likes chapati. Yes. Good. Pavan doesn't like chapati. Yes. This boy Yogesh likes jalebi. So what do you say? What is the negative sentence? Yes, once again.
Yogesh likes jalebi.
No. Good. Yogesh doesn't like jalebi. Good. Very good. Yes. So Dilip likes vadas. Yes. Come on, Sai. Dilip likes vada. No. Yes. Dilip. Very good. Dilip doesn't like bonda. Good. Okay, enough claps.